What is up, guys, and welcome to a new Team Fortress 2 video. Today I am playing as the spy on King of the Hill Harvest, one of my favorite maps and also one of the oldest maps in Team Fortress 2. And in today's video I would like to talk about my recent investments I made in Team Fortress 2 for the mid and also long term. Because I am still buying some special items which I believe will rise in value in the future. And which items these exactly are and why I invest in these will be explained later in the video. But first I also wanted to let you know that I now changed the recording settings, so the quality of the video should be a little bit better. Please write a comment below if you think the quality increased. I'm recording with 120 FPS now, and I'm also rendering the video so it's in better quality, should be more smooth. And yeah, I hope the gameplay looks way better now. Alright, so I am basically buying a few items. As you can see, I got a lot of crates, especially crate series 45, series 76. Then I'm also buying the terrifying Trove case and the Gaulish Gains case, and also the Man & Co. Supply Munition series 103. Alright, so why am I buying these crates? Now I'm buying the series 45, for example, because it is one of these profitable crates, because it contains a strange part domination kills, which you can unbox with a likelihood of 10%, and that strange part alone is worth around 7 keys. Now the profitability of the crate is like 97%, so if you open enough of these cases, the likelihood of being break even at least is quite high, which is pretty nice. And if these strange parts, or if that domination kill strange part increases in value as well, then I believe the crate should also rise in value. It also doesn't drop anymore. It's a very old crate, not the oldest one, but it's one of these older crates. And that's the reason why I am currently buying a lot of these. As you can see in Counter-Strike 2, for example, there have been so many cases that just rose in value like crazy, like 50x or even 100x. In Team Fortress 2 we also had some crates that recently did this, like the Robo crates, which I also had, and I made like a 10x and more on it. I already made a video dedicated to that topic. And yeah, now I'm buying basically the new crates, which I believe could rise in value in the future. Let's see if it happens. So today is year 2025, September, and I'm currently buying the Man Co. Supply Crate series 45 at only, let's see, I'm buying in Swiss franc because I'm from Switzerland. Let's see what the price is in dollar. 1 second. Yeah, so it's basically 6 cents, 5 to 6 cents, and I'm buying these series 45 in bulk, so I wanna own a few thousand at least. And yeah, let's see how much it is worth in the next few years. It may take 2 to 3 years or whatever, but I believe in the long enough time horizon, the value will rise. I hope the game doesn't die and they bring some nice updates soon in Team Fortress, so the player base will increase again in best case, or at least stay the same. And yeah, I think it's a very interesting case because I see it for myself, and also in my videos you can see I also unboxed a lot of these series 45 actually, because there's a very high likelihood you won't even lose anything by unboxing these. So that's, for me at least, quite valuable. I know you don't get the best high tier unusuals, not the unusual effects at least. I think it's only the series 2 unusual effects. So you get like steaming, the steaming effect, blizzardy storm, and so on. But I also think that the strange part domination kills may even increase in price as well, because you can't, yeah, you can only unbox it from this series. Yes. So the other stuff I'm buying is the Terrifying Trove case. It's a Halloween crate or case, and the Gaulish Gains case. They already are increasing a little bit in price, and I see bigger volumes, so a lot of people are buying currently, and I believe that this is another indicator. So yeah, I also think that this will rise even more. People love to unbox these two crates I just mentioned. And yes, the Supply Munition Series 103 is also interesting to me because you can unbox unusuals with the unusual effects from Series 1 to Series 3, which is quite cool. And the price is also slowly rising with increased volume. And yeah, it looks like it's setting up for a bigger run. But I will average in the next few months. So if there's a lot of price fluctuations in the next few months, I get an average price on it, and I believe it may be a good investment. I also did some crazy investments in Counter-Strike, by the way. I bought a lot of recoil cases a few weeks already, and they already doubled in price. I also got fracture cases, which recently retired. I'm not sure if you know about Counter-Strike, but I'm also involved there because the market is quite nice for investing as well. And yeah, let's see how it goes. So please let me know in the comments below. Do you also do any longer term investments in Team Fortress? If yes, what do you invest in? And do you have any kind of crates or cases which you believe will rise in value in the future? Maybe some other crates I didn't mention yet. It would be quite interesting. So yeah, there's also this website, you may know of it, where you can see the chance to profit from each crate. And yeah, the profitability, like I already mentioned, which is very interesting to me. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you want to hear more about TF2 trading, TF2 unboxing, and TF2 gameplays, because I do all these things on this channel here. I do regular crate unboxings and also a lot of commentaries like this one, where I talk about my investments and my trades and so on. I'm also currently analyzing a few items, especially Halloween and Christmas items, which I want to buy for a swing trade. So I want to buy them low, sell them high. I see there are some very interesting charts actually, where the price doubles before these Halloween Christmas events and so on. There are some very interesting cycles for sure, because actually I am coming from the crypto and stock market, as you may know. I did very well there actually. I work full-time now, basically. I'm a full-time investor, or if you want to call it like that. I also got a company. But yeah, it's also very interesting how it works in games like Team Fortress and Counter-Strike. As you know, back in the day when I was 12 years old, I already started investing and trading in Team Fortress. That was in the year 2010, 2012. And then I made a big break with trading in Team Fortress, and I actually went into crypto, stocks and so on. And now I'm still in stocks and crypto, of course, but now I'm also getting back to Team Fortress again, and I want to level up my trading game, and I want to do some very good investments. One of the biggest risks I see is the decreasing player base in Team Fortress. It seems like we get less and less active players, which is very sad because I love Team Fortress, and I hope it will stay forever, right? I also read on Reddit about it a little bit, and people think that we may need a bigger update, or the big man vs machine update, or something else, so players return or new players actually start playing Team Fortress. It would be very sad if this game ends up dying, but I heard that Valve recently hired the old developers from Team Fortress from back in the day, and that is already a good sign. So I think something is going on, and I am positive for the future of Team Fortress and also for the markets. Many people currently are very bearish and very negative and think, oh, the TF2 economy is dead, and the game is dying and so on. But honestly, I believe, yeah, I'm positive. I always try to be positive, and I hope we will get a turnaround and yeah, make Team Fortress 2 great again. And it will be very interesting to monitor all these prices for the future, and I hope they go up like crazy. I've also thought about buying a lot of max servered heads and stuff, because I really love that head. And actually it's also a limited head, right? But in the past the price performance wasn't that great. It's also, yeah, a bit expensive if you want to own a lot of them. But yeah, I think in the very long horizon it also may be a good investment. I see that a few players or a few highly valued backpacks are actually collecting some of these max servered heads. So maybe I will also buy 20 or so. Let's see. There's also a few other hats that I may start collecting, and yeah, keep them for a few years. Alright guys, so that's already it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment below what are your investments, what do you think will happen to Team Fortress 2 economy in the future, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you do not miss any videos. Most watchers of this channel are actually not subscribers, so you need to click that subscribe button right now so you don't miss any videos. Thumbs up, comment below, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.